Pero siya yung pinakadagagawan. Kumusta man sa'yo feeling? Uy, gikulbaan siya. I-cheer pa rin nyo nga dili siya dapat makulbaan. Sige, go naman. Okay, this is your question. If you will be crowned as Mutiahong Videos 2013, what would be your first advocacy?
I will be crowned as Mutiahong Videos 2013. My first advocacy is to bring up the youth into a good citizen and making them in sport so that they can be far from drugs and any violent activities in this stage.